Most shelters have a water source close by, and that's a really nice flow there. I don't know if you'll be able to make it out. The shelter's right up there in the trees, but not too far to walk. Good morning, and welcome to Gray Man Walking. Today is day 29. Just leaving the Pecks corner shelter and heading for the Cosby knob shelter. It's about 13. We're actually 0.4 down in here, so it's going to be 13.4 today. Sun's up, not a cloud in the sky, calm, perfect day. We're gonna do what we do, and that's walk. It's about 45 degrees. Had a good night in the shelter. Saw Tea Party there. If y'all recall, I'm at Tea Party on day 2. I saw him again. I can't remember when, whether maybe around Unicoi Gap or somewhere. I saw him. Maybe it was Trey Mountain. That sounds more right. But talked to him. He'd taken a fall and got cut up pretty bad, but it looked like he's pretty much healed up now. There was several others, and most everybody's headed for the same shelter tonight. I tell you, I slept good. I haven't looked to set my app to see how well, but I went out long before dark, and I don't think I woke up the first time till about 11, so I'll take that. It's just a beautiful, perfect morning out here. Just so quiet and calm. Pine forest, very pretty. Okay. It's a little funny about the dynamics of walking with someone else out here. For most of my trip, I pretty much walk by myself, occasionally with other people. But this stretch, I've been walking with my stepson. It's funny, if I go in front, I'll walk off and leave him. And then I'll stop maybe 5 minutes before he catches up. If he goes in front, he walks off and leaves me. And he'll have to stop and wait on me. I don't know what that's about, but it seems like a fairly regular occurrence. speak of El Diablo. %. All right. We're a little more than halfway into the day. It's been another fairly cruisy day. Same as yesterday, the uphills are all on a grade and not straight up around up the side of the ridges. Been several flat places like this where it's just cruisy. Evergreen forest. Not sure, I think these are red pines. But I believe the second half of the Smokies is just a little bit more cruisy than the first half. And I'll take it. And I don't think tomorrow's supposed to be much different. But that's to be determined. Temperature's nice for hiking. It's just in the 50s. But it's cool on these north sides. Warm on the sun side. I tried to book a room when I get off the Smokies. They were full. So probably gonna get Shad to take me down the road when he gets picked up tomorrow, so I can pick up a few more resupply items. I think there's a town not too far from the end, and then I'll just have to keep on keeping on. You almost expect a little elf or fairy to pop out anywhere around here. There's a sizable lake out there. Not sure where we're looking, but big open view right here. Been descending for a good while now. You can see the vegetation is starting to change. Well, another day. We made it to the Cosby Knob shelter. Got in about 4:40. It was 13.1 miles. It's our last night in the Smokies. I thought it was another cruisy day until I kind of looked at the elevation here when I got to camp. There was a good bit of up to it, but it was more down. We're coming down off this mountain. But beautiful blue sky day. A lot of people here at the shelter tonight. Tea party's here again. some others. But a couple of the ridge runners were here. Oh no, another good day in paradise. Well, tomorrow the plan's about 9 something to get out to I-40, or I hope I can get picked up, run to the store, get a few supplies, and then get a little further up the trail and find a place to camp. So that's the plan for tomorrow. We're going to see you then. Good night.